हेलो फ्रेंड्स। एनएचपीसी जूनियर इंजीनियर मैकेनिकल इलेक्ट्रिकल सभी ब्रांचों का सिलेबस एनएचपीसी की वेबसाइट में अपलोड कर दिया गया है। वहाँ से आप इसे डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। सेक्शन 1 जनरल इंटेलिजेंस एंड रीजनिंग। रीजनिंग में एनालॉजीज, सिमिलरिटीज, डिफरेंसेस, स्पेस विजुअलाइजेशन, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, एनालिसिस, जजमेंट, डिसीजन मेकिंग, विजुअल मेमोरी, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, ऑब्जर्वेशन, रिलेशनशिप कॉन्सेप्ट, अर्थमेटिकल रीजनिंग, वर्बल एंड फिगर क्लासिफिकेशन, अर्थमेटिकल नंबर सीरीज आदि के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे। इसमें वर्बल और नॉन वर्बल दोनों टाइप के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे। जनरल अवेयरनेस में इंडिया की हिस्ट्री, कल्चर, जियोग्राफी, इकोनॉमिक, जनरल पॉलिटी और साइंटिफिक रिसर्च के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे। और भारत से लगे हुए देशों या भारत की सीमा से लगे हुए देशों के भी क्वेश्चन जनरल अवेयरनेस में पूछे जाएंगे। एनएचपीसी मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग सिलेबस, थ्योरी ऑफ मैकेनिक्स एंड मशीन डिजाइन, theory of machines and machine design, engineering mechanics and strength of materials, properties of pure substance, first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics, air standard cycle for IC engines, IC engine performance, IC engines combustion, IC engine cooling and lubrication, Rankine cycle of system, boilers, classification, specification, fitting and accessories, air compressors and their cycles, refrigeration cycles, principle of refrigeration, plant nozzles and steam turbines, properties and classification of fluids, fluid statics, measurement of fluid pressure, fluid kinematics, dynamics of idle fluids, measurement of flow rate, basic principles, hydraulic turbines, centrifugal pumps, classification of steels. Mechanical engineering NHPC syllabus, theory of machines and machine design, concept of simple machine, 4-bar linkage and link motion, flywheels and fluctuation of energy, power transmission by belts, V belts and plate belts, clutches, plate and conical clutch, gears, type of gears, gear profile and gear ratio calculation, governors principles and classification, riveted joint, cams, bearings, friction in collars and pivots, engineering mechanics and strength of materials, equilibrium of forces, law of motion, friction, concepts of stress and strain, elastic limit and elastic constants, bending moments and shear force diagram, stress in composite bars, torsion of circular shafts, buckling of columns, Euler's and Rankine's theories, thin walled and pressure visuals, thermal engineering, properties of pure substance, PV and PT, diagrams of pure substance like H2O, introduction of steam table with respect to steam generation process, definition of saturation, weight and superheated status, definition of dryness, friction of steam, degree of superheat of steam, HS, chart of steam, Molier's chart, first law of thermodynamics, definition of stored energy and internal energy, first law of thermodynamics of cyclic process, non-flow energy equation, flow energy and definition of enthalpy, conditions for flow, steady flow energy equation, second law of thermodynamics, definition of sink, source, reservoir of heat engine, heat pump and refrigerator, thermal efficiency of heat engines and coefficient of performance of refrigerators, Kelvin Planck, and Clausius statements of second law of thermodynamics, absolute or thermodynamic scale of temperature, Clausius integral, entropy change, calculation of ideal gas process, Carnot cycle and Carnot efficiency, PMM2 definition and its impossibility. Air standard cycles or IC engines, Otto cycle, plot on PV and TS planes, thermal efficiency, diesel cycle, plot on PV and TS planes, thermal efficiency, IC engine performance, IC engine combustion, IC engine cooling and lubrication, Rankine cycle of steam, simple Rankine cycle plot on PV and TS HS planes, Rankine cycle efficiency with and without pump work. Boilers classification, specification, fittings and accessories, fire tube and water tube boilers, air compressors and their cycles, refrigeration cycles, principle of a refrigeration plant, nozzles and steam turbines, fluid machines, fluid mechanics and machinery, properties and classification of fluid, ideal and real fluids, Newton's law of viscosity, Newtonian and non-Newtonian fluids, compressible and incompressible fluids, fluid statics, pressure at a point, measurement of fluid pressure, manometers, U-tube, inclined tube, fluid kinematics, streamline, laminar and turbulent flow, external and internal flow, continuity equation, dynamics of ideal fluids, Bernoulli's equation, total head, velocity head, pressure head, application of Bernoulli's equation, measurement of flow rate, basic principles, venturimeter, pilot tube, pitot tube, orifice meter, hydraulic turbines, classification principles, centrifugal pumps classifications, principles, performance, production engineering, classification of steels, mild steel and alloy steel, a treatment of steel, welding, arc welding, gas welding, resistance welding, special welding techniques, TIG welding, MIG welding, tungsten inert gas welding, MIG welding, etc. Bridging and soldering, welding defects and testing, NDT, foundry and casting methods, defects, different casting process, forging, extrusion, etc. Metal cutting principles, cutting tools, basic principles of machining with lathe, milling, drilling, shaping, grinding, machines, tools and मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस। फ्रेंड्स यदि आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। डिस्क्रिप्शन में सिलेबस के PDF का अपलोड कर दिया जाएगा, वहाँ से आप इसे डाउनलोड कर सकते हो चैनल के डिस्क्रिप्शन से।